Hello, techies. All right, today in TestOut we have a scenario here. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network to accommodate specific network communication needs for an upcoming project. You have to upgrade the network connections speed for the workstation in Office 2. All right, so you have to select and install network. All right, so let's start up. First off, let's open up this PC and let's look at the network adapters we have. From our task, we have to select and install network interface card with the fastest speed. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. We have PCI, it's 32-bit. PCI. We have network adapter 10 by 100 by 1000 base TX PCIe. Okay, do we have another PC? This is PCIX. Alright, so by looking at it, this particular network adapter is the fastest. So we'll just take this in and plug it into our motherboard, and we'll close up the motherboard, and then we plug in our cables. So what cables are we using? We're going to be making use of our Cat6 RJ45 cable. Alright, so we plug one end here. Is that the right port for it? Yeah. Nope. This is the new card here. Nope. Alright, so and the other end is going to go to the wall here. Alright, so we'll go over to the front and power on the PC. Alright, so the PC is powered on and working fine. And then we are going to use the settings app to confirm that the workstation is connected to the local internet. So we go to settings, we go to network and internet, Ethernet, and we scroll down. You can see that this is connected. Alright, so that is it. Let's check our answers. Alright, so everything seems fine. If this video was helpful in any way, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.